In French, there is a phrase, a lieu de mémoire, site of memory, which means a physical place or object which acts as a container of memory. This container of memory, this house, is a home that grounds us.
No matter what happened, outside on the campus, I could always come to this building and feel that a sense of safety or being acknowledged here.
It was just a place where we can all get away and just sort of be ourselves.
Where we can see ourselves reflected back. Where we find the strength to be our own and dream freely.
It's one thing to be inclusive, and it's yet a step deeper to establish a sense of belonging in an institutional space where we don't just include people, but that those who are included actually feel like they belong. It's a very powerful word.
Here we remember the voices of those who came before us, calling for change, giving us the courage to face the challenges and define our future.
But there was this no barriers attitude of just the kind of energy that Unity had at that time too. So you just felt like, yeah, I can be whatever I want. I can do whatever. Yeah, totally empowered.
This container of memory, this house, this home is what unites us.